Students, coming to the next topic, that is a software metric. So what is a software metric? A metric is nothing but we call it as a measurement. It's just a measurement. So we'll get a doubt how we can measure a software. A software is nothing but it is a series of code. It's a lines of code. So how we are going to measure the software and how we are going to give some systematic code to the customers. So now let us see what is this exactly the software metric was. A software metric is a measure of software characteristics. It is a measure of software characteristics. So what are those characteristics of software? Means the time it takes to execute the program, means the quality of the software, the quantity that we are using, the resource that we are using, that everything comes under the characteristics. So we are measuring those characteristics, that you call it as a software metric. A software metric is a measure of software characteristics which are quantifiable or countable. So we have to measure only the quantifiable and the countable things that are present in the software. So if you are using some resource to develop a software, you have to calculate those items also. That comes under the software metric. So a software metrics are important for measuring. The main thing is the software metrics are important for measuring what? So measuring software performance, planning work items, and measuring productivity, debugging, and estimating cost, and so these are all the different measuring items that we came across in the software. So whatever the software you have taken, so if you want to measure the software, you have to consider these important measuring points. So you have to check the software performance, you have to measure the software performance. So what is the performance of the software that you're using, and the planning work items, and measuring productivity, debugging, estimating cost. So all these can important for measuring the software metrics. So and also these components is valuable for both developers and development team leaders. So the main thing of software metrics is a valuable component for both developers and development team leaders. Now let us see the different characteristics that are present in software metrics. The characteristics of software metrics. So what are the characteristics of software metrics? So first thing, it is simple and computable. We can easily calculate this software metrics only for the small lines of code. It's you have to think, if it is your project, if your lines of code, if your program is small, then it is simple and computable easily. Consistent and unambiguous. And another characteristics, use consistent units of measurement, and it is independent of programming language. It's not dependent on, means for any type of programming language you can calculate the software metrics. So that's why we call it as the software metric is an independent of programming language, and it is easy to calibrate and adaptable. And it is easy and cost effective to obtain also. Easy and cost effective to obtain. So these are all the different characteristics of software metrics. Thank you.